Who doesn't love a variegated plant? Now this beauty right here is a dogwood and it absolutely looks amazing. I purposely waited for this time to capture the light hitting it the way it's hitting it right now. It's filtered light and it absolutely looks beautiful. Now this one has a lot of shade in the morning, but it's unbelievable how much shade it can actually take and still perform so well, even with the filtered light hitting it right now. It absolutely looks beautiful, absolutely looks amazing. Now this is a Cornus Kousa, or better known as a wolf's eye Japanese dogwood. The thing I love about this dogwood here is the foliage on here. It's almost like a grayish green with the ivory cream variegation on it. It absolutely looks beautiful. And then the flower on here, and I'll pop up some images on there to show you what it actually looks like. But it's almost the same variegation, just in a more lighter yellowish green tint. And the berry turns into a very red berry, where it gets its name wolf's eye. Now right now the berry's not red. That'll start coming soon in early summer. This guy blooms from late spring to early summer, but it's absolutely amazing the way it blooms. It's a standard tree here. We almost wish we got two so we can mirror it right here on the side, but I mean, just absolutely love this tree. I'm gonna step around here real quick, trying not to crush anything, but just to get a sense of how big it is maybe about 4.5 to 5 feet right now in the container. But it absolutely looks beautiful. Like I said, I wish we would have gotten two because it would have been amazing just to have two out here. But I just wanted to show you guys again what it actually looks like. I mean, our kitchen, our dining room window is actually right there. And to be able to look out here and just see this tree, even at night with our lights that we have set up here, it just absolutely glows. It stands out from a lot of things in the garden. And talking about things that stand out in the garden, I know, you know, we did a video the other day talking about container gardening. This isn't a container, and it absolutely provides height in the garden. We have a lot of layers going on here, and I'll zoom into some of the stuff, what it looks like on the bottom, but we have some hydrangeas, some caladiums, some other stuff going on here, but it's all about the layering and how you layer it to give it that standout look amongst the rest of the things in the garden, but not take away from everything else in the garden. But it's a beautiful dogwood. Again, this is a wolf's eye Japanese dogwood. Just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I know we saw a couple of comments on there of what kind of tree it was. So I wanted to do a video to show you guys exactly what it was. And like I said, the light just hitting it right here absolutely looks beautiful. That green, that yellow color that it absolutely, you know, radiates off the top. It just looks beautiful. All right, so just wanted to do a quick video on this tree. Like I said, it's an absolute beautiful tree. We kind of didn't get an opportunity to talk about it last year. The season just keeps going and it keeps rolling, and we forgot about doing a video on this guy after we planted it last year. And so this time around, I wanted to, you know, pause for a moment, take a look at it, actually show it to you guys and show you what it actually looks like and how it's performing, and maybe do another update later once those berries start to show, because I think it absolutely looks beautiful with that red berry and then that flower that just has that light yellowish gray tint to it. But that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Just wanted to show you real quick. We appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video.